Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atri. I make videos related to makeup, skincare, reviews, hauls, etc. So if this is something interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, from the title you know this is going to be another Amazon finds, and I ऑलवेज कीप एन आई ऑन अमेजोन कि मुझे कुछ ऐसा अफोर्डेबल प्रोडक्ट मिले, अलग प्रोडक्ट मिले जो कि लोगों ने ट्राई नहीं किया. सो इन दिस वीडियो ऑल्सो आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई अ फ्यू न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स एंड गिव यू माई ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन वेदर और नॉट यू शुड गो एंड बाय दोज. सो इफ यू रियली लाइक सच टाइप ऑफ वीडियोज मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब एंड सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के लिंक एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, तो आप उसको जरूर चेकआउट करना. एंड आई थिंक आई रियली लाइक हाउ माई मेकअप लुक्स लाइक. दिस इज प्रिटी नाइस वेडिंग glam wedding guest makeup look, which looks amazing. What do you guys think? So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. With the fall season here, I really want to create something which is very wintry, very sexy, I would say, and something which you can carry out in your Indian weddings very nicely. So I have already done my base because I didn't have base products today. So we will start with our eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I have an amazing product and I wasn't expecting this product to be like this. So I have this one, and this says Swiss Beauty Eyebrow Styling Gel. This is the outer packaging, and website पे यानी कि Amazon के ऐप पे ये कुछ और लिखा हुआ था, बट ये सेम है. यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस आउट. सो आई टेल यू व्हाट ऑल इज देयर इन दिस किट. सबसे पहले आपको एक ऐसी स्पूली मिल जाएगी जो कि बहुत ही easily you can carve out your eyebrows if you have very sparse eyebrows like me, क्योंकि मेरे eyebrows बहुत ही हल्के हैं. Then it also has this. Now this, what is this? This is a razor. Yeah, this is a razor. You can definitely trim down your extra brows. And lastly, जो कि बहुत ही interesting है, वो है ये. This is the Swiss Beauty Gel. Now ये एक gel है, as you can see, and you can do those Instagrammy sort of eyebrows if you have this. So we are going to try it, and let me tell you honestly मैंने कभी भी अपने eyebrows को gel से set नहीं किया. जो gel trend है eyebrows का, I haven't done that. Really not sure how this is going to look, but we are going to give this a try. Let's get started. I have a little bit of extra growth, so let me just use this one to just see if it can trim my eyebrows properly. Please be very careful while doing this step. You don't want to cut yourself. तो आपको बहुत ही easily इसको यूज करना है. Obviously इससे साफ तो हो रहा है because of course it's a razor, but what I think is it is not very smooth. Okay, तो you have to be very careful while doing this, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा I feel that it is a little bit coarse. तो like मेरे जो अदर रेजर्स हैं उससे, but otherwise it's okay. Now मैं यही वाला जो स्पूली है, I really like the shape of the spoolie because it is really nice I feel. And if you want, आप इसको obviously सीधा भी कर सकते हो, like मैंने यहाँ पे इसको सीधा कर दिया है इस तरीके से, and you can use it like this. Of course the simple formula which we always use. So what I'm going to do is मैं इस gel में इस स्पूली को इस तरीके से मैं कोट कर रही हूँ. Now this is a really nice solidify gel, and I don't think so you need anything to make it work. Because definitely you can do like this, and you can see some product on the spoolie. I'm just going to comb my eyebrows upwards with the spoolie, and I really don't know how this is going to look on me. Repeating the same thing on the other eye. And मुझे लगता है कि इसका जो वैक्स है वो काफ़ी अच्छा है, एंड इसको थोड़ी देर आपको छोड़ना पड़ेगा सेट होने के लिए, एंड लेटर यू कैन फिल योर आईब्राउज. तो मैं हमेशा पाउडर से फिल करती हूँ अपने आईब्राउज. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक एनी पाउडर फॉर फिलिंग माई आईब्राउज, एंड मैं ट्राई करती हूँ उसको फिल करने की, फिर देखते हैं कि कैसा लगता है. आई फील कि मेरे ऊपर ये वाले ब्राउज इतने अच्छे नहीं लगते, बट if you are someone who wants to try this out, you can definitely do that. मुझे तो मेरे normal brows ही अच्छे लगते हैं. I'm not a very big fan of such brows. Up for experimenting, but I really don't know how these are looking on me. ओके गाइस, तो ये इस तरीके से कुछ दिख रहे हैं एंड आई एम नॉट लाइकिंग इट बिकॉज या तो मुझे इसको ठीक से करना नहीं आता बिकॉज आई डोंट डू दिस टाइप ऑफ ब्राउज, बट दिस प्रोडक्ट इज रियली जेम, क्योंकि कहाँ आप सोप पे लगा लगा के सोपी ब्राउज करोगे, एंड इट्स बेटर दैट यू हैव समथिंग लाइक दिस विच इज वेरी वेरी हैंडी एंड इट इज वेरी इनएक्सपेंसिव. सो दिस गेट्स ये फ्रॉम माई साइड बिकॉज आई लाइक इट, ऑल्दो आई एम नॉट अ वेरी बिग फैन ऑफ सोपी ब्राउज और एनी टाइप ऑफ अदर ब्राउज. ठीक है, उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट चीज है, आई हैव हर्ड अबाउट दिस ब्रांड अ लॉट, वो है पिगमेंट प्ले. मेरे पास ये एक पिगमेंट प्ले का आई शेडो पैलेट है. दिस इज देयर वेरिएंट क्लासिक फिनिक्स. नाउ इसके अंदर बहुत सारे वेरिएंट है बट मैंने यही वाला चूज किया बिकॉज मुझे इसकी कलर स्कीम काफी अच्छी लगी, काफी विंटर और फॉल अप्रोप्रिएट लगी. एंड इसका जो पैकेजिंग है रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ मेनी अदर आई शेडोज लाइक मार्स आई शेडोज एंड इनसाइट के कुछ, स्विस ब्यूटी के कुछ आई शेडोज की भी मुझे ये याद दिलाता है. नाउ दिस इज ब्रांड न्यू, हैवंट यूज्ड इट, going to use it with you guys. and ये इस तरीके का कलर स्कीम है इसका. so today I am in a mood of creating a really nice soft fall appropriate look. so for that सबसे पहले मैं ये वाला शेड लूंगी ब्राउन का, जो कि एक बहुत ही अच्छा ट्रांजिशन शेड है. I have already primed my eyelids जब मैंने बेस किया था, so मैं उस कलर को इधर लगाऊंगी एंड में. आई रियली लाइक कि इस पैलेट में दो तरीके के ब्राउन दिए गए हैं आपको. फर्स्ट यू कैन यूज फॉर योर ट्रांजिशन शेड एंड देन इफ यू वांट आप उसको बिल्ड भी कर सकते हो. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग द ब्राउन शेड जो कि थोड़ा सा और डार्क है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू प्लेस इट ऑन माई आउटर कॉर्नर. I am really feeling like gold. I don't know if gold will go with this look, but let's try the gold. I'm really intrigued to try this gold color क्योंकि ये बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहा है. Let's see. And party season is here, so why not? Like how this is looking. I mean, it just looks super good. What do you think? And the pigmentation of the palette is really good. I liked it. And yeah, let me just give you a swatch of all the colors. So guys, this is how the swatches look like. I really love how the colors are very pigmented and especially these satin shades, because I have noticed कि बहुत सारे palettes में matte shades are really good but then satin shades are not that good. But I really love how my eye look turned out because this gold color is looking so good. It will suit all the skin tones, so I really like the pigmentation and the blendability of this palette. So you can definitely give this palette a try because it does have amazingly. So definitely ye from my side. Okay guys, so as I have this palette, so I also wanted to try out some brushes. So this time I got two brushes from Pro Arte. So first of all I got this one. This is their mini polishing brush, and this is a stippling brush. Okay, and the next one is this highlighter brush, because again I told you I really wanted to try these two to see whether these work or not. Now stippling brush जो है वो जो cream products है उसको बहुत ही अच्छे से blend करता है आपके skin पे, especially your cream bronzers or your cream blushes. So it just works amazingly, and that is the reason I got this. I got it this time. And Pro Arte के brushes are really good. I really love how their brush works. So yeah, just swirl this a little bit. And one more thing I noticed कि ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा thick नहीं है. It's not very thick. So let's see how this is going to blend my cream blush. Okay, so I have taken a little bit of cream blush and I'm going to use this brush to see if this blends well or not. I think I have taken a little too much of blush, but it's okay. Let's see how this blends the blush. It does blend the blush really nicely. What I feel is that I have taken a little too much, so I shouldn't have taken this much. So I'm just going to take a little bit here, because I have seen with my sponge I am able to blend this much of blush, but थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ले लिया था मैंने. I think इस side पे मैंने थोड़ा ठीक लिया है. So I have to be very careful because this brush gives you a full coverage, what I feel. So yeah, please be careful while using product with this brush. I think I like it क्योंकि ये जो है ये काफ़ी सुंदर सा मुझे ग्लो दे रहा है from within. And next up, I again have a blush with me. This is the Miss Claire blusher. This is in the shade 05. Now I have heard so many things about Miss Claire blushes, so I thought of trying this. So this is how the packaging is. Looks super cool, super cute as well. क्योंकि इसका जो ये indentation है, it looks really nice. And show you, this is how it looks like. Looks super amazing. Now I know I don't have a lot of space on my face now to apply blush, but you know, let's just try a little bit. So nice, this is how it is. It's not super pigmented, which I really like, because I don't like my blushes to be very pigmented. Then it's like hard task if you want to blend it. Definitely, again, this has a very light formula and it just blends out really nicely. So yeah, definitely if you're looking for a good blush option, you can try this out. Let me just give you a swatch again. This is how this color is. This is a pinky corally type of color. Will suit Indian skin tone. That's what I feel, because I really think that it is going to suit a lot of skin tones. Now after this, I have the fan brush. So let's just try the fan brush as well. Now let me tell you, why do we use a fan brush? To use a highlighter, to apply a highlighter, to use highlighter जहाँ पे आपको चाहिए, specific area पे. This is how the fan brush looks like. So this has a really nice brush, yeah, and this is in PF09. So let me just apply a little bit of highlighter using this brush. So just coat your brush with highlighter and tap off the excess and use it here. It just makes the application process really easy. ये बहुत बड़ा नहीं है, ना ही ये बहुत छोटा है, because I have seen many companies making the fan brush बहुत ही छोटा, या तो बहुत ही छोटा या बहुत बड़ा. This is not like that. This is going to give you a really nice application. Yeah, I feel it's a really good fan brush. And now I think कि मुझे ये पहले ले लेना चाहिए था, because this is working amazingly. I really like it. And this is so soft. Like both the brushes are so soft. Both like ये बिल्कुल पोकी नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि आपको ये कहीं से पोक कर रहे हैं. They are just going to give you a really nice finish. Now lastly, let's just apply some lipstick. And lipstick, I have a really nice color lipstick. I think you're going to like it. And this is in the shade Soft Wine. This is the Maybelline Sensational Matte Liquid Lipstick. So yeah, I have tried these lipsticks before as well, but I really love the color. It's very nice. I would say winter appropriate color. So let's see how this applies on my lips. Now guys, let me tell you, if you don't know something about me, I love dark colors, especially in winters. I feel they just complement my skin tone a lot. My skin tone, I would say, it complements the Indian skin tones a lot. So, and it's very comfortable on your lips as well. I like this better than the Maybelline जो वो sensational lipsticks होती है ना, जो बड़ी वाली lipsticks हैं. I don't like them that much, but I really love this, and this shade is super duper pretty, I feel. Now एक last product है मेरे पास, वो है eyelashes. These are the eyelashes by Cuffs and Lashes. This is in the shade Darjeeling, not shade variant. And मेरे पास ये Europe Girl Paris का eyelash glue है ना. ये वाला भी glue के साथ आया था, but I don't know if I'm going to use that. So I'm going to use the Europe Girl Paris one, क्योंकि मैंने उसके बारे में बहुत ही बातें सुनी थी. And it has such a pretty packaging, I feel. बहुत ही सुंदर है. They retail for 199 rupees, and I think these don't look very plasticky. Yeah, but it is made up of plastic, and it reminds me of Swiss Beauty lashes. So let's see how this applies. I'm going to use the Europe Girl Paris ka eyelash glue. This is how the eyelash glue looks like. So what I like to do is I like to apply a very thick layer of glue on the band, because that's how I like to do it. You can definitely do whatever you feel like, and apply a little bit extra एकदम edge पे, ठीक है, ताकि इसका जो grip है ना बहुत अच्छे से बना रहे. और मैं lash band पूरा cover करती हूँ इससे. And then what I do is I'll just tell you, because eyelash apply करना, it's a little bit tricky thing, but it's not very difficult. So just look down and just twirl this a little bit, ठीक है. इसको twirl करना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. And then just apply it. Always look down when you are applying eyelashes. and if you want to push your eyelash you can definitely take some pointy thing and push it like this, ताकि ये बहुत अच्छे से ना चिपक जाए. Alright guys, this is how my final look looks like, and I'm really happy with how the look has turned out. And almost all the products I loved, although I'm not very sure about the eyebrow thing, because I think that this works, but then mera cup of tea nahi hai wo, to probably I won't be using it that much. But then if you are into eyebrow styling, soap brows, definitely you can try this out. I think all the products I loved, and the best thing which I loved is of course the eyeshadow palette. I like these lashes as well, and lipstick also amazing, and the brushes. I think I love everything. And yeah, that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I really love doing such type of videos जहाँ पे मैं सस्ते products आपको दिखाती हूँ, affordable products दिखाती हूँ, नए products try करती हूँ. So let me know how you guys think about this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.